In this video, we'll take a look at the situation in Haiti and the progress made so far by the Jamaican and Kenyan police when they arrived in the country of Haiti. There was an open gun battle between the gang and the soldiers, and some arrests have been effected so far. So let's continue watching these clips that will give us updates on the various occurrences or happenings in the Haiti crisis. But before we watch these videos, if you haven't yet liked this video, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's watch the videos together.
Après, policiers même qui déployé à terre là sans internaute. Policiers IGPN ensemble avec policiers 4 millions. Après l'assassinat. Assassinat. Vraiment c'est à Guillaume après. Qui mettait pied à terre sans internaute. Police 4 même, avec les GPN qui mettaient pied à terre là. Non, vraiment c'est qui. Après là, police qui déploient là pour l'hôpital général là. Après des détonations tout, un moment. Après, policiers qui mettaient pied à terre là. C'est IGPN qui mettait pied à terre. Après là, voilà. Police même qui mettait pied à terre dans blindé là pour regarder comment capable qui contrôle l'hôpital général sans rien. La police ça vient cap déployer là. Après. Policiers déployés à terre là.
Resolution.
USGPN yo men qui mette pied à terre là pour capable de contrôle espace les alentours l'hôpital général là. Ne go din faut ti bag mais pas faire ça.
Deixa eu dar uma vida aí, que vai voltando e eu tenho que pensar. Sabia do ouvido. Ja, hoe meneer?
Sous l'ordre commandant en chef là, M. Normil Rameau, moi viens présenter nous bilan opération avec intervention diverses unités spécialisées dans la police là, nous étant même pendant ce semaine ça, sorti lundi 12 pour arriver vendredi 16 d'août 2020. Malheureusement, dans le cadre de l'opération ça, nous avons un policier qui est légèrement blessé.
Well, a tense day over in Haiti as the crisis in the small Caribbean nation continues Saturday. Reports of clashes between the police and gangs continue, and CBS News Miami's Tanya Francois has been bringing us the latest information on these stories from Haiti for weeks. So she joins us now in studio with new video and the latest on what's going on.
Haitians, especially those in Port-au-Prince, are anxious, not sure what will happen next. There are reports of a battle between gangs and police. The death toll yet to be determined. A CBS News Miami source living in Haiti is a drone pilot. They are voluntarily risking their safety to capture exclusive drone video, hoping people will get a bird's eye view of what's happening to their homeland and send help. Now, this video is of Lower Delma, taken this morning. It's typically a working class area near the airport. Now, normally it's packed with businesses and people. What you're seeing is the aftermath of the fighting that took place overnight between the gangs and police members in an operation to help save and protect a nearby police department. Businesses have been looted, some burned. You can see their hollowed walls from the air. The United States has now promised an additional $25 million to help with the humanitarian crisis. 362 22,000 people are displaced by those gangs taking over and destroying their homes. An estimated 5.5 million people are in need of immediate assistance, including food, health care, water, and hygiene, as those are increasingly difficult to access. What you are also seeing is the port area being looted. Now, keep in mind, there's still no air nor port traffic, so nothing is coming in or out of the country of Haiti for at least the last 2 weeks.
So we've been told that the port has been under attack again, and the port has not really been functioning. Police, again, they had taken control of the port along with the army, but now what you're seeing is that the gangs have gone back in, and what they've been doing is using the population, have the population go in first to loot, and then they come in after the population. There's also a number of businesses, a Toyota business, I understand a coffee business that are in that lower Delma area. They've also been looted and pillaged in the last couple of days, and so we're seeing that this is continuing.
Now, that was Jackie Charles with the Miami Herald giving us an update. The U.S. State Department says they are hopeful Haiti's transitional government will be in place in a matter of days, with most of its members already named. Now, government charter flights from Cap Haitian are expected to resume. You must have a valid U.S. passport to be able to get on those flights. Now, Cap Haitian, it's about a 6 to 8 hour drive away from Port-au-Prince, with countless gang members already blocking the roads in between.
Welcome back. So the country of Haiti has been battling with gangs, most especially in the capital cities, and the country of Jamaica as well as Kenya deployed military men in order to beef up the security muscles of the Haitian military and police so as to help them combat the activities of these gang operations in the country of Haiti. And I believe there has been some significant improvement so far in this operation, in the sense that some gang members have been arrested, and also some of them are fleeing from their hideouts to different hideouts, showing that the efforts of the soldiers and the security personnel in the country of Haiti is bearing some fruitful results. And I believe that in the end, the people of Haiti will come out very successful. So in this video, we got to see some clips of some of the gang leaders or members being apprehended, and also an open gun battle between the gang and the military. They are really doing their best in order to bring the situation under control. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions about this crisis that is happening in Haiti in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends, your family on all social platforms, and kindly subscribe to the channel. Just look at the subscribe button down here, click on the subscribe button, click as well on the notification bell, and I'd like to see you again in my next video.